Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So as promised in my last video where I reviewed the YSL Mini Loo, today I'll be doing a what fits inside. I haven't gotten a chance to wear the bag out as yet because obviously there's nowhere to really go during COVID, but today I actually decided to do a video to see exactly what would fit inside if I decide to wear it out or when I decide to wear it out. So without further ado, I'm gonna get started. So in my last video where I reviewed the handbag, I don't think I went over the measurements. So the measurements on the Mini Loo is 7.4 inches long, which is from this side to this side, and 4.3 inches high, which is from top to bottom, and 2 inches in depth, which will be the base of the bag. And the measurement in centimeters, for those of you who are more familiar with metrics, is 19 centimeters long by 11 centimeters high and 5 centimeters at the base in depth. So I hope those measurements give you a better idea of the actual size of the bag, because I know on videos and in pictures sizes can be deceiving. More than likely I'll use this bag in the evenings rather than the daytime because of the gold chain, but I'll use it with both casual and dressy outfits. Let me know if you like to see a video on different outfits you can use to style the YSL Mini Loo. So now I'm gonna go right ahead and start fitting the items that I'll actually carry when I go out. The first thing I'm going to put into the bag are some cards, utilizing the 3 card slots at the back. I'm just going to use some shopping cards and my driver's license. And obviously if I'm going out, these will be replaced with my bank cards, but of course for privacy reasons I use this just as an example. So these are the cards and they fit pretty well in the bag. I didn't have to force them inside, so that's great. And after my cards, the next thing I'll grab for, of course, is my phone. And this is the iPhone 11. And I'm just going to rest that here at the back. I'll also carry some cosmetics in my pouch, so I'm just going to pack these in. Those that I actually carry. And this is my Coach wristlet. Normally I'll carry whatever lip product I'm wearing, and I'll take along my compact just in case I need to touch up, in case I get oily and I need to do a retouch. This is my MAC compact. Sometimes I'll also carry a roll of fragrance just for touching up. Let's see if this can fit inside. Okay. Another item that I always carry is some tissue, just for blotting my face or if I need to clean anything. So let's see if we can fit that inside. And I normally carry some gum. So we'll fit in there here. So let's see if this will zip. And everything was able to fit. It's not too bulky and it's not bulging out of the top. So I know a lot of people carry their sunglasses, but obviously the sunglasses wouldn't be able to fit. So let me take out my phone and utilize the back pocket. So as you can see, my phone doesn't hold at the back with the contents already in the bag. So I'm going to remove the case to see if it can fit. And as you can see, it still doesn't fit. So I'll have to actually remove one of the items from my bag in order for the phone to fit. So as I said before, more than likely I'll be using this bag as an evening bag. So exactly what I normally carry would be able to fit in the bag, and I'm very happy with that. I hope this video gave you some insight on exactly what would fit inside the YSL Mini Lou if you plan to get this bag. It is a very beautiful bag and I love it nonetheless, and I'm still very happy with my purchase. So although the bag is pretty small, it still fits quite a bit. I don't carry a lot when I'm going out unless I need to, so this bag suits me very well. So if you're a person that carry a lot of items, I don't think this will be the bag for you, but I do hope this video helps you in some way. So let me know in the comments what you think about the bag, and let me know if you would like to see that video on me styling different outfits with the bag. As usual, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.